All right, today we're still working on this thing. It's coming along, interior's done. Everything's, coming along, but we're getting our motor mount so we can finally put this motor in there, get it on my lift, and then work on it on some other things so I can work on something else. But that's the plan. I'm still finishing the car, but today I'm getting the motor mounts. I ordered some from AutoZone since they can get it. Not like everybody else that's saying they can get it, they never get it. So I just got them. They're stock. They're still warranted, so if anytime they break, I'll just go get new ones. They're not that hard to replace. So today, we're just gonna try to put this engine in, try to clean it up a little bit, and put the tram together, new clutch, which is up there with the flywheel, and just make sure everything's pretty and try to put it in there. So just, stay tuned and watch the episode. Yeah, okay, so took out the thermostat. The coolant was pretty dirty. We knew that though so I ordered a new thermostat from Honda. It's coming in, and I'm gonna do a flush. Right now it's out. I'm also cleaning it up, power washing it, taking off all the wire harnesses, just so I can, clean those too, make sure nothing's broken, everything's clean. So that's what I'm doing next. I put everything back on because it's kind of raining outside, so I just gotta clean this, so that's why I put everything back on the valve cover. I haven't adjusted the valve cover yet, the valves, because like I said, I'm gonna just wash it first, and then I ordered the gasket for the valve cover. So all right, so I removed the wire harness off the engine, and now I'm gonna tape out all the sensors and all this stuff so I can power wash it and clean it up. So clean up all this mess and make it look fresh, might as well. That. All right, so taped off all the little connectors and stuff, and now I'm gonna take the belt off and probably the alternator and the other piece. Yes, let's do it. Here. All right, so what I did, I sprayed it down with some degreaser. Let's see what happens, and I'm gonna just power wash it. But she should look new when I'm done with her, looking fresh. All right, so she's washed up. The engine is, at least, and the trans came out good, nice and clean. Engine did too. You can actually see stuff. So yeah, looking good. All right, so we got our thermostat from Honda. That's the part number. All the thermostat took a dump. It was like crappy. I don't know where it is, but the thermostat is located right behind the alternator and air compressor back here. It's painted butt, so that's why I'm doing it now. And all the hoses and stuff I saw, we're gonna replace them. There's these VTEX only. That one leaks, so I ordered a new gasket for it. Ordered the valve cover gasket because I'm getting the valve cover redone. And just keep going, Cleaned it up, looks good. All right, so we finally got our motor mounts, and they're in. Got them from AutoZone because nobody else on this quarantine can have them. So that's it. Part number for that, S2000. They got lifetime warranty. If you want to just upgrade to new ones, they're pretty good. So, all right. So now we're adjusting the valves. The way you adjust them, you loosen this nut and you twist this screw-looking thing up there. And you do that to each valve. All right, so we we did the valve adjustment, cleaned up the engine. We hooked up all the hoses the right way, wire harness. And now we're getting ready to put the clutch in, flywheel, all that bullshit. Got my assistant, Don Ho, chilling. Brand new everything. This motherfucker. Alright, let's get this done. Alright, so we're opening the clutch again. Here's the instructions. Yeah, it comes with a new one. Alright, so the new one is right here. Should we lube it up?
I think it's fine.
Yeah. On a cardboard box, guys. This is easy. So if you guys can't do this on a cardboard box, go for yourself. Alright, so now we're gonna put the flywheel on.
Where's the...
Got the bolts.
Don't matter. Don't matter which way they go again. There ain't no pin or nothing. We're dropping.
Alright, so like I said, don't make the mistake we made. Had to torque this shit 3 times because this guy jinxed it. But now we're gonna put the tranny on. We got the bolt set up, everything set up. Stage 4 clutch, competition, or no, it's yeah, competition, right? Competition clutch. Motor mounts, everything brand new. Alright, we're gonna mount it on and we're gonna show you a video after that. First attempt, got it in. No bullshit with that. So now we're gonna see if he went in.
Still spinning? Still spinning?
Still spinning. We're in there.
That's pretty easy.
I like it. Got tools, man. We got some footings. Alright, we're lifting an S2000 engine. Mounting point right there from the intake. Across to this side of the trans. Then to this side of the trans. From the other side to the header. So that's how you lift it up. So you can be straight. We drop it in the subframe. Now we're just trying to lift it up. Subframe's over there. It's going in. Alright, so to put this engine in, I'm gonna first line this up, put it on there, make sure it lines up, all the bolts go in. And then I'm gonna lift the car up again. And then I'm gonna set the engine on here. And then drop the car into it, bolt it up, and that's it. Sounds easy, right? We'll find out. Alright, today we're putting on the control arms in the front. We're dropping in the engine. Definitely today. Have to get it done today. So I got other stuff to do. This car's really dragging me down. I got the missing pieces that were missing from there, from AutoZone, because they jipped me over. But we got them. So now I'm gonna put them in and slide them into there. So stay tuned. All right. So we put the control arms in. Got the bolt there and this weird bolt over here. The middle piece goes from the bottom up, and then you put the little cap on top, and then you put the other bolt right there on. All these things refresh, so I put new bolts on the ones I couldn't get out. Same thing with the back. Now I'm gonna put the steering rack on. Then I'm gonna have someone help me put it on there, on those jacks. And I'll mount the motor in. So we're almost in. All right, so we have the power steering rack on. Electric steering. So now I gotta put this on those jacks, mount the motor, drop it in. All right, so I put it on the, try to line it up where it was. Let's hope it's lined up. Now I'm gonna try to put that in there and drop the car on it. And that's how we're gonna put it in. So stay tuned. All right, so now we're dropping the subframe in there, or the motor in the subframe. And that's how I'm doing it. Easiest way, I thought. So now I just need to be careful, do it myself, and drop it slowly to line up all the mounts. Nico Mendez, my helper, put it in, he's dropping it. Drop it more. He's dropping it for me. Keep going, keep going. Go a little faster. Keep going. Keep going. Don't keep going. Keep going. You can. I'll tell you when to stop. I'm looking here. Keep going.
I am.
Keep going. Keep going. Hold on. All right, go ahead. Slow. Hold on. Stop. Stop. There's something here. All right. Go ahead. Hold on. Stop. Stop. Go ahead. All right. Stop.
Are you gonna show this one?
All right, so she's almost totally in. I'm just trying to mess around with that before I bolt it all up. So we lined it up. Everything's bolted up so far, looking good. So just gotta do final touches, get it done. Go. She's in there.
Okay.
Stop playing around. Come on, bring it up. Did it. Dun dun dun. We're getting ready to start this motherfucker.
You want to see if it smokes
Dun dun
first? You wanna see if it
dun.
smokes?
Let's see if it smokes. Is that the right positive, negative?
Didn't smoke.
You're not smoking.
I'm burning.
Get in there.
Oh, use the door, bro.
Use the door, man. What the fuck? Got my boy the Air Force out here chilling with us. Turn it on. Don't hit the brake at all. Don't hit the brake. Hold on. We got lights.
Prime the pump, bro.
We got lights.
Primer up.
Go ahead. Oh, the pump's not hooked up.
Yeah, here's one.
Go ahead. Dale. Crank it.
Gotta hit the clutch.
I hit the clutch.
Are you cranking?
Uh-uh.
You sure you hit the clutch?
Well, the clutch is all the way down, eh?
Yeah, hit it now. Oh, you can't do it. You have to hit this button.
What the fuck?
You gotta hit the button, bro.
Gotta start one. But John ready.
Oh, low fuel. It runs. Huh? You already have no fuel. The lights. Oh, got it. Yeah. All right.